Did you know that just 3,000 words are enough to understand 95% of everyday spoken English? Yes, only 3,000. You might be thinking, but English has more than 100,000 words. That's true. But here's the secret. Native speakers don't use all of them every day. In daily conversations, newspapers, and TV shows, we mostly use a small group of common words again and again. That's where the 3,000 word rule comes in. If you learn the most commonly used 3,000 English words, you'll be able to understand most conversations, movies, and books. Isn't that amazing? Now here's the next question. How do you learn those words naturally? The answer is something called the Comprehensible Input method. Comprehensible input simply means learning English by reading and listening to things that are just a little bit above your level. Not too hard, not too easy, just enough to challenge you, but still help you understand the meaning through context. For example, watching short conversations with subtitles, listening to slow English stories, reading easy books, or watching videos like this one. This method is powerful because you learn how words are actually used in real-life situations. You learn vocabulary with grammar, pronunciation, and natural expressions, all at once, without memorizing boring word lists. So what can you do today? Start small. Watch simple English videos daily. Read short stories. Listen to English podcasts or audiobooks for beginners. And most importantly, repeat. The more you hear the same words used in real conversations, the faster they enter your brain. Over time, your brain will pick up patterns. You'll start to understand naturally. You won't have to translate in your head anymore. You'll just know. So, remember this. You don't need to know everything to speak English well. Focus on the top 3,000 words. Learn through input that you can understand. Make English a part of your life every day, and you'll be amazed by how far you go. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to English Conversation Hub. Your journey to fluent English just got easier.